Morning fellas, Ben back again, headed out on a ride. As you can see, well, that's how things sit on the Vietera tail rack. This is a 50-liter bag and I have packed it to 10 kgs, exactly 10 kilos. And yep, we'll be on the roads. We'll see how far this thing can be sitting on the tail rack comfortably. If that's about it, that's the whole motorcycle loaded. Tank bag has my small toolkit, and this bag has about 2 or 3 tools to remove the axle if need be. That's about it. And yeah, we'll be on the roads, me and Ashi. Ashi, please, that's Ashi. Okay, so there is an Adventure 390 up ahead of me, and yeah, the fellow seems to be cruising comfortably. He is at an indicated 100. Of course, one twist of the throttle and he would be gone. I do not want to challenge him in any way. Because there's absolutely no point. But yeah, just to let you know that the cruising speeds of an Adventure 390 or the Himalyan or most vehicles with sensible riders would be somewhere around 80 to 110 kilometers an hour. Beyond that is a bit subjective in India or on Indian roads. Time is about 2 p.m. Hot midday. Not as hot as the summers in India. It certainly is a nice hot day. Humongous leaves or blades. Yes, the chain's all good, well looped. I just looped it right before we left home. Chain seems fine. The motorcycle is doing well. The air pressure increases with high-speed cruising. So you need to be aware of the fact that you need to maintain a steady air pressure. Otherwise, too much of heat and you are asking for trouble the moment the tire is punctured. The tire might crack and burst. So keep that in mind. And most importantly, have a steady throttle. Do not go like this, do not ride like that. That is very amateur. Hold a steady throttle, be an active rider, be only thinking about the brakes all the time. Do not think about anything else but when to brake, how to brake. The front brake is all that saves lives, not the rear. The rear is good to maneuver in traffic, but the front is all that's going to get you back home in one piece, one shape, in good health. Bangalore, electronic city. Interesting name, isn't it?